How to download apps without payment method on iPhone. So if you want to download apps without payment method on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your app store. From the app store, you need to go with the profile icon, which will be on the top right. Once you go with your profile, you will have this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply scroll down a bit. You may have an option of country or region. Tap on it, or just simply tap on your profile. And now tap on country and region. And after that, you will have an option of change country and region. You need to tap on change and then select a country. Select the country you belong to. After selecting the country, you just need to simply accept the terms and conditions and agree with it. After that, if it asks you for the payment method, you can select none. And after selecting none, it will ask you for the billing address. It's not required, so you can skip that part and you will be able to download your apps without payment method on your iPhone. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.